So, malapit na po tayo sa cable car. Yeah, let's go. Ito tayo, oh. And this is it. So, this is it po. Nakasakay na tayo sa ating cable car. At ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung buong view ng lalakbayin natin. Let's go!
Oh, thank you, Lord!
Thank you, Lord!
God! Wait, where's the Tiantag Buddha?
Smile.
I feel that scary.
Yan, ganda.
Oh my God.
Diyan po tayo nang galing. So, diyan lang muna siya. At ako'y mag-picture.
Wait, wow. Wait, why is there a cable car with a person on it? Skybike? No, it looks like we're riding in a skybike. But it's kind of scary. Are we gonna start it in Katay, there's the Katay. Hong Ping 300
Stella, are you scared?
Oh my gosh.
Can I look?
Usually no. Probably not.
Hindi. Kayo nga, dati. Oh, baka yun na yung Christmas.
Oh, it looks like I'm on the edge. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Oh, are you scared, Stella?
Holy crap. Oh. That is kind of terrifying because there's arrows.
Another one what?
Another cable car.
Ang ganda.
If the door is open, I'm gonna be really scared.
Siyempre, bawal naman yun.
Baka mag-kristal na mo. Okay. Glass.
May additional.
Dati po nung 4 years ago, glass pa rin to. Wala additional no. Wala pang crystal. 4 years ago.
Kasi nagpapa-add ako, magkano sabi ko, 40 daw.
Mahal nga po.
Dati 20 lang. Kaya sabi ko,
Oh,
wag
there's
na.
gold.
Gold. I meant kala ko gold.
So, so, pabaliktad po yung video ko dahil may tao dun sa bandaron at saka medyo madilim. So, dito na lang sa likod tayo kumuha ng video. Yan, full video po yan na gagawin ko hanggang marating natin yung pinakadulo ng Tungchong Cable Car.
Buddha.
Gusto niya lang ano, picture.
Picture lang ko.
Sige po.
Hindi na lang.
Ayan na.
Yan.
Para ano, habang maganda yung view. Patayo pa ano?
Kahit ano po.
Basta meron.
Mhm.
1, 2. 1, 2. Saba. 1, 2.
Salamat ate.
That if you jump, it will literally fall.
Yung mga dyan.
Ako nga rin.
But it's kind of.
Ay, sige po.
Wait, I still remember this from I still remember this. I remember. There's another cable car down there.
To
Oh,
see
it's a
the
mountain,
fishes.
Stella. It's a mountain.
Well, it's like.
Remember the mountain?
Okay, it's a forest. Okay, it's a forest. That's what I was talking.
But it's very small.
Free.
Or here.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's here. Kaya.
What's that? Airplane? No, airport.
Cathay Pacific Cargo Terminal.
Wow.
Wait, where's Atiyan Buddha?
Huh?
Ay, sa mountain.
Why is there a FedEx? Why is there a FedEx airplane? Why is there a FedEx airplane?
Can you see the trees?
Wow. That's a lot actually.
Yan, then dito na tayo sa
Mama, I can feel something in the bottom. That's why I can hear the sound. I want to cable car
sa tuktok ng bundok.
I want to have another cable car again.
Ayun yung ano, yung Hong Kong International Airport. Ayun. Nakikita natin yung mga lumilipad na airplane. So, dyan po kami nang galing. Malayo na po kami. At nandito na kami sa tugatog ng bundok.
Wow.
Lagay ko nga dyan. Ayan. Dami nating phone. Isang live.
Wait a second, are we gonna bump there? No,
Saka isang pang vlog.
no, please don't bump it. No, I'm so scared.
Ah, nang layo.
Parang pababa na.
Layo yan. 25
Aero
minutes.
po. Mountain speed.
Sana may pera pa ako.
Did you know there's another statue in Hong Kong?
Yan. Pagpunta nyo dito, pag may pera pa ako, igagala ko kayo dito.
Come on, hurry up.
Doon kasi sa ano sa harap, dark. Hindi siya malinaw. So, ang kinukuhanan ko yung likod. Daming eroplano nakikita ko. Oh, yun yung yung Hong Kong International Airport. Silipin natin. Ayun. Yun. Nakikita ko yung mga eroplano doon.
steps.
Ikaw, may nag-hike
Oh,
na.
wait, this is the Great Wall of China. Oh, mommy, I think that's the Great Wall of China.
Oh,
Oh, that's in China.
Papunta sa Heaven Gate.
You know,
Oh, may nag-hike nga.
sabi. Kita mo?
Oh, I can grow.
Iba'y
Grow,
natuhod
or
din eh.
they could say. Wait, there are 3 people
How
hiking.
many are walking? Here.
3. 1, 2, 3. Bro, why is there someone hiking? And who put in their stairs over there?
Who put?
The stairs over there. Oh, there's
The
3.
prison.
Talaga?
Oh, mga prison ang nag-rebuild ng mga...
Oh my gosh, I'm in there for hiking.
Ay, ano, dito ako sa...
How long is this
Table.
stairs?
Are you scared?
I'm very scared.
Sasaglit lang ako dito, tapos ikot ako konti sa taas, tapos balik ako.
We are also walking.
Thank you, Joseph! Mega love shout out. Iikutin ko yung ano ngayon, yung mga free. Mamayang hapon punta ako sa Ocean Park. Ang dami pila dito. Dumating ako dito ng 9 o'clock. Ang haba ng pila.
How long is this?
Anong oras na?
Mama Lala.
Ha?
Daming lumilipad na eroplano.
Mama Lala.
Mama, ito.
Hmm.
Wait, it's the end of the stairs.
Hindi pa yan.
Oh, you know.
Wait, I cannot see. Oh.
Uy, mahangin na. Oy, so yung
See the world.
ano, sa susunod na lang, huntingin
Is
ulit.
it the Iya?
Oo. Yan tayo po ba?
Is that brand new? Oh. Oh my gosh, no, no, no.
Oh!
What is
No,
parang
the
parang
stairs are not
nakasakay ka ng ano,
infinite.
roller
This is
coaster.
the infinite stairs. These are the infinite stairs. Oh, oh, yay, it's the end of the stairs. Oh, it's the end of the
Daming nagha-hike.
Oh, it's the end of the stairs. The end of the stairs.
This was your ticket. Very cute one. Hawak ko.
Sa'yo.
It's in here.
Kinaha ko yung mga.
Daddy, I'm so scared. Maybe it might fall in there. Oh, it can. Why is there a pathway this time? This time, why is there a pathway?
Hindi na ako nag-crystal kasi additional ano, 40. Sayang din. Kain ko na lang mamaya. Susulit ko lang to. Tapos, ikot lang ako sa Buddha, tapos baba ako, diretso akong Ocean Park. Kasi yung mga ka-birthday ko nandun. Dalawa na yung nandun. Umiikot na sila doon. Ayaw nilang pumunta dito. Magastos daw sa pamasahe. Magkano lang naman yung pamasahe? 23. 23. O di 50. So, hindi na ako nag-send ng crystal.
That's the starting.
Siya rin, hindi naman yung glass ang titignan mo eh,
But where did
kundi yung
where
view.
did the stairs go? Where's the stairs? Mommy, can you find it?
Malayo na kami.
Oh my god. What? Wait, why is there pathways?
14 minutes na kami umaandar. Ayan,
That's a very
naglalakbay
long
sa
trail.
area.
This is the Great Wall of China. Hong Kong is part of China. Oh, come on, it's a never-ending race. Wow, it's a never-ending race. Oh, mommy, look. Oh my gosh. That's a never-ending
What is that?
Look. Mas magaling pa mag-English yung bata sa akin. Lok. Si vlogger, di marunong mag-English. Biglang bumaba. Biglang bumaba. Oh my God.
Bakit pa?
Come on. Yan, malapit na tayo. So, magbibideo na rin ako ng para sa akin.
Why is there a never-ending bridge coming? Did God make those bridges?
Nandito tayo sa cable car. Ayan, lilipad na naman tayo.
Miss ko ka na muna.
Oh!
Ayun na yung Buddha. Ayun na, Wanda.
Oh, there it is.
Mga hiker.
I thought it did like this.
Ang daming hiker.
Wait, that's a lot of people.
Ayun na yung Buddha, oh. Nakikita na namin.
Here we go sa taas, Miss, ha? Bawal na pa.
Mommy, you're making me even more scared.
Oo. Hindi ako makasingit dun sa sa harapan. Maraming tao.
Dito ka rin.
We will literally the scariest.
Ayun na si Buddha.
It looks like there's a boat floating. It looks like
Auto
there's a
pala.
Against the light.
Auto pala. Stella.
Oh, there's a never-ending pathway and a bridge. There's another bridge. There's hikers, Mommy. There's hikers. There's hikers, Mommy. There's hikers.
They have children.
There are hikers. Mama, I saw hikers.
Doon may river.
Oh, look, there's a waterfall.
River lang.
But there's also a waterfall.
Ayun yung bridge na.
It is a waterfall, Daddy. There's a waterfall going to our river.
Ayan yung under tunnel. Pag under tunnel ka na wala ka ng internet ng Hong Kong.
Oh
Kasi
my
nasa
God.
May
Macau
talent
ka.
pala yun.
Oh,
Gano'n pala
Daddy.
sa ate?
Oh my God, there's a waterfall in the
Gano'n katagal?
1 hour.
Yangtze River. Yangtze.
Oo. Punta kayo sa
Oo,
dito.
dito.
Nandito na kayo. Kung may time kayo, 65 lang yung bus. Yung ferry na sa 100.
Yung ferry to sa may...
Ay, sa
Central.
Look like this one.
Ang baba ng tren. Ang baba ng tren namin. Pagpunta dito.
Underground?
Tungchung din.
Tungchung din.
Ay, hindi. Sunny Bay. Tapos may bus papunta ng immigration. $5 yata yung pamasahe papunta sa immigration. Tagal na akong pumunta eh. 2,000 pa yan.
Oh, what is that? Oh. Oh.
Kaya malapit na po kaming bumaba. So,
Tell us, stop
i-off
copying me.
ko na to. Kasi yung aking pang-vlog nandun pa nakatanga.
Daddy, look, there's a waterfall and a
Thank you
river.
pala sa lahat ng bumati.
Look at the
Hindi ko na kayo
picture.
nakarap.
Can
Kasi
you see, Daddy, a
gumagana
waterfall
yung
and a
ako.
river?
Thank you.
Wait, is that, what is that? It's orange and
Sinangat
Copying
ako
me.
sa mga to. Para mag-enjoy naman yung mga nanonood.
Daddy, I thought we're still gonna ride a two-seated bus. Oh, there's even more stairs.
Sarap paglakad.
No!
Oo, oo.
Yun, sa lang yung doon sa Buddha. Yan sa picture na. Yan sa picture.
Yeah. Oh, why? Oh, I thought we're going inside someone's house. Are we going somewhere Bababa na tayo.
Yung tripod natin.
Baka tumangkling kasi.
Ikot tayo. Ikot tayo, Daddy. To go to the theater. For 1,000 steps.
No, hindi naman. I want
360 or 260.
Do it, ha?
360 of Nongping.
Pagbaba na lang mag-lunch.
260.
Doon na lang sa gilid.
Yan, dito na tayo. Babay na. Yan, labas na tayo. Woohoo! So, nakalabas na po kami dito sa may cable car. Thank you so much po sa privilege ng birthday gift. Yan, adventure na po tayo sa Buda. Ah, sige. Yan. Balikan lang tayo dito. So, akyatin lang natin si Buda and then balik na ulit tayo. Yan, dito tayo sa may souvenir area. Labasan natin is souvenir area. So yan oh. Sana yung photo ko dyan. Meron akong picture eh. How much?
238.
Uy, ang ganda. Ha? Okay. 200 together?
No, for one. This one.
So, yan. Nandito na tayo sa cable. Ayan. Pupunta na tayo sa Buda. So, maraming pong mga souvenir dito. Ayan, mga bag, payong, sombrero. So, pasok pa tayo dito sa loob. Mag-i-enjoy ka talaga dito. Ang mahal ang picture. Grabe. 300 daw. Hindi ko kineri. Hindi ko kinaya. So, enjoy po natin yung ating pagpunta dito sa my cable car. Labas na tayo. Yan, labas na tayo. Ayan, oh, daming tao. Ayan. Doon tayo mag-adventure sa taas. Yun, doon tayo, doon. So, malayo pa yung lalakbayin natin. So, lakad na tayo. Compilation po yung ginagawa ko. So, sana po nag-i-enjoy kayo sa ating ginagawang pag-tour dito sa Ngomping 360. So, tinatapos ko na po dito yung ating vlog dito sa my Ngomping 360. Thank you so much po sa panonood ng aking mga upload. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Please subscribe Lynn Chico Vlogs and don't forget to ring the bell for more videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye!